Hello and welcome to Carlube TV. If you've tuned into this how-to video, the chances are you're struggling to get a wheel spacer off. The reason they get stuck on the hub is generally because the wheel spacer is made of aluminium and the wheel hub is made of steel. When the hub gets hot, you get a galvanic reaction as the two metals expand at different rates. When they cool down again, they kind of weld themselves to each other. The effects of this can be lessened if you were to apply copper slip between the two surfaces. So as you can see here, I'm using a heat gun to heat up the spacer and try and make it expand ever so slightly to break the bond with the hub. This needs to be done in a circular motion. Be patient, this did take about 5 minutes. As you can see, I'm tapping the spacer with a rubber mallet in a circular motion to help break the bond. This action will need to be repeated a couple of times. At this point we need a pry bar to try and open up the gap and try and break that bond. This also needs to be done evenly in a circular motion. We needed a bigger hammer. And as you can see, we are starting to get some movement. We have now got a gap opening up, so we're nearly there. And with the second pry bar, we finally removed the spacer. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, drop it a like. There will be an enormous amount of fabrication required, leaving no screw unturned. We're going to lob an E46 S54 M3 engine under the bonnet, utilise E36 M3 and Z3 suspension components under the car, slap on lots of carbon fibre and genuine M3 steel panels, occupy the interior with a half roll